I can honestly say it was a lot of wrong done in this situation. We both, neither one of us here, of what
Found out later.
until we found out later what the wrong was. And again, I'm still doing the investigation because I want to know where the email came from, the whole nine. I want to know. Um, that's where I dropped the ball, where not knowing, not being up on who's sending what, who's doing what, what's going on, you know. And I'm just like, I'm still in awe about it, honestly. I'm still like, how the fuck did this happen?
Yeah.
And that's it. You know,
Well, again, I want to
that's
say
just
thank
it.
you. I appreciate it. You know, these past 3 days have been very trying, but at the end of the day, you know, I want to continue learning. I want to continue my efforts, and you know, anything I can do further to help. Now that we have direct contact instead of the
Yeah,
middle, you know, any middle parties, I'm 100% on board. Any way I can help, let me
yeah.
know.
Oh, most definitely, most definitely. And you know, May West 310.
Period.
Period. May West 310 did this whole thing. But again, I truly am sorry that you lost your job. Sorry that all this happened. And let's just work and just so empower black women. Show
Yeah.
black women you can
Period.
put that sword down and don't fight against each other and just be as
Absolutely.
one.
We're stronger together. Well, thank you so much. Again, I really, really appreciate it. And you guys make sure, you know, you check out the Rose organization. They're doing amazing, amazing things. And I'm learning from y'all, and I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for tuning into the show. Now it's your turn. We want to hear from you. But remember, keep it cute or get the boot. Let's talk in the comments down below. Check out all our sponsors and affiliates in the description box. And don't forget to join the Witness Nation by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. Until next time, this is Whitney D with Whitney D TV. Signing off.